The X-Sense Smoke Detector and Carbon Monoxide Detector combo unit is designed to bring two essential layers of home protection into a single compact device. Instead of relying on separate alarms for fire and co-risks, this unit streamlines safety monitoring, making it a practical choice for bedrooms, hallways, apartments, and family homes where early warning can make all the difference. What stands out immediately is the dual sensor approach. It continuously monitors for both fast-flaming fires and the invisible danger of carbon monoxide, offering round-the-clock protection. Carbon monoxide is particularly dangerous because it cannot be seen or smelled, so having a dedicated sensor built into the same device as a smoke detector adds significant peace of mind. The alarm system is designed to react quickly, providing loud and clear alerts intended to wake occupants even during deep sleep. Installation is generally straightforward, with a design focused on wall or ceiling mounting depending on the layout of the space. Once installed, the unit operates as a low-maintenance safety device, typically requiring only periodic battery checks or replacements depending on the model configuration. The compact build helps it blend into most interiors without being intrusive, while still maintaining a strong presence where safety matters most. In everyday use, the detector is built for reliability and continuous operation. It is engineered to reduce false alarms while still maintaining high sensitivity to real threats, which is especially important in kitchens or areas where minor smoke or fumes might otherwise trigger unnecessary alerts. The combination of smoke and carbon monoxide detection also reduces the need for multiple devices, simplifying home safety management. For households looking to upgrade their safety setup, this type of all-in-one detector offers strong value. It focuses on core protection rather than unnecessary complexity, making it suitable for both new homeowners and those upgrading older alarm systems. While it may not include advanced smart home features in every version, its primary strength lies in dependable, straightforward protection. Overall, the X-Sense Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector combo is a solid safety solution that prioritizes early warning, ease of use, and dual threat detection in one device, helping create a safer living environment with minimal effort.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.